Truvicalitas. Huh? You don't understand? How come? It's Esperanto, which is created by Polish expert Zamenhof in 1997. Initially, it was intended to be the universal second languages for the international community. With it, everyone in the world can be able to communicate without language barriers. You never heard about it? What? It has died out? It is the Tower of Babel? Probably the god mixes this monas by the Tower of Babel. Anyway, in the real world, we do have many interesting things you must have known, like the Esperanto, which are initially created in a way or for one purpose, but evolve into and remain to be the opposite. In this video, let's check them out one by one and discover their whys.